Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can back up your email list, and not just one email but all of your emails on GetResponse and send it to your hard drive. Let me show you how right now. Alright guys, so in this video I'm in GetResponse right here. You can see when you're in your GetResponse, you go to your contacts and you hit on contacts. Now you'll be in the list area. Now you want to show all of your contacts, so click on all contacts, and then on the very right hand side you see this will be all of your contacts you currently have in your list. And right now you can see I have 706 people on my contact list, and what you do is you right click over here and you export to your hard drive. Now you would name it, and I'll just say GetResponse backup, and I'll name it today, which is today is the 26th, so 6/26. Okay, and you want to make sure, I always do CVS because then it's easier to work with down the road. And then you export the files, okay, and it will overwrite the existing one. And when it's done, it's done. You can download this and put it directly on your hard drive or where you want it to download. And I've got an email backup right here, and then you save it. That's how easy it is, guys, to back up your email list. So if anything ever happens to your account with GetResponse, your email list is safe and it's on your hard drive. So your email list is like gold. So make sure you back up your email list on a periodic basis, maybe every day, every week, every month, just depending on how many people join your list and opt in. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you go ahead and comment and post, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.